Mrs. Sulaiman. To complete to my task, I will tell you about how to make a delicious fried rice. Ingredients: 1/2 tablespoons sesame oil, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 2 cloves minced garlic, 1 cup frozen peas, 2 eggs, 1/2 inch covered cooked chicken, 1 cup cooked rice, tablespoon soy sauce. Step to make a delicious fried rice. First, heat the sesame oil and vegetable oil in a garlic pan over medium heat. Second, peel your garlic, then add the garlic and cook until tender. Third, add the frozen mixed vegetables and cook until they warm. Fourth, in a separate small bowl, whisk 2 eggs. Add the egg to vegetable mixture still to scramble. Let's cook your rice. Add the rice, soy sauce, still until mix serve hot.